Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice antimatter blue coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the black appearance package, tow and haul package, and the bed utility package. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera. We do get a tailgate step as well, mud flaps on the rear and front with gripped running boards on each side, trailer tow mirrors with blind spot detection, side view camera, spotlight and turn light indicated, and moving to the front we got that black hood deflector, front park sensing with recovery hooks, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back, here we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably with this nice black cloth interior, plenty of door space, floor mats with a carpeted interior. We got cup holders and storage, outlets for charging, 2 rear vents back here, and of course you do get a split folding rear bench, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, auto stop assert, lights, spotlights, parking brake all on your left hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 7 kilometers. We do got this nice leather wrapped steering wheel, toggle free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our screen here, we do get my view, trip and fuel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we have our gear select that is collapsible, tons of storage. You even get some outlets down here, cup holders, center console with more storage. You have your drive modes, rear locking diff, and four-wheel drive, trailer brake, pro trailer assist, heated front seats with dual climate. Got some outlets on the side here as well. Upper and lower storage with storage on the dash. We do get some storage, a nice powered rear window opener. Your park sensing that you can turn on or off, hazards and traction with a nice 360 view of the vehicle, which you can go for different camera angles. Looking at our screen here, you have your audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, Sirius XM. You got your phone controls right here as well. Navigation, fave apps such as messaging, email, zone lighting. Any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Settings. And your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KE79641, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.